order to make use of the rocks or ores obtained through quarrying explosion in the mining and construction sectors, the materials need to be crushed to reduce them to a smaller size. We call this process size reduction or crushing. All jaw crushers feature two jaws, one of which is fixed while the other moves. The working principle of jaw crushers is based on the reciprocating movement of the movable jaw that compresses and crushes the rock or ore between itself and the fixed jaw, as the material enters the zone between the jaws. Crushing process. The moving jaw moves back and forward against the fixed jaw, and material fed from the top of the machine is compressed between the two, breaking it into smaller pieces. As the moving jaw moves away from the fixed jaw, the crushed material is discharged from the crusher at the bottom, with the size of the ejected material determined by the gap between the jaws.